Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 5th of April, 2023. We're going to show you all some pitfalls for Aptos today from the cryptocurrency price chart. Take a look at the particular price action in Aptos right now. We all can see it. Price doesn't look too bullish right now, does it? Now, we cannot be overly surprised. If you guys saw my last video, which was produced on the 31st of January, we were looking for Aptos to go down. So for us to see price trading around $11.79 today, it's no surprise. That's around 29.22% lower from when we initially did our price prediction back on the 31st of January. So congratulations to those who predicted that, because now we're here today looking at the market in Aptos, trying to find some areas of support in and around $10 to $11. You guys can see it precisely right here to where buyers are currently hitting the market in Aptos, which is a very good signal. Okay, we can see this. How price in Aptos is willing to come in, or the market participants, they're willing to come in and keep this currency's price up around $10.60. So as long as that is maintained, guess what? Yeah, the market is just going to consolidate. Okay, so we need to allow the market to maintain this trading range in order for us to know that at least for the time being, we found bottom in the market in Aptos. Let's take a look at this on the monthly chart real quick. So you guys can see here on the monthly chart how Aptos for the month of March, we saw a decent amount of volume. It's about similar to what we've been accustomed to the previous month in February, but the spread of the price bar is a lot smaller. Okay, so that definitely tells us that we may actually have seen buyers also coming into the market in Aptos there. You guys can see here on the 3-weekly chart that I really don't like these 3-weekly price bars though. These are definitely showing and hinting that selling is still coming into the market in Aptos. The only thing that we can look forward to is buyers continuing to hold this $10.60 price level. That's the only thing that we have as of right now that would substantiate that the market has found the bottom. Okay, take a look at this on the 2 weeks. So again, I'm showing you all the pitfalls. I'm showing you all signals and indications that let us know that this market is still weak. The only lifesaver is currently that support area around $10.60. That's it. Once the buyers leave that $10.60 price, Aptos will continue to fall. It will continue to go lower. And then looking at this on the weekly charts, I don't see a massive indication of strength right now. Look at the weekly chart. Okay. Now, when you switch it down from the 2 weeks to the weekly chart, this is where we begin to see some strength. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's strength there. And this particular weekly price bar also resembles strength. So like I said, we may be in the beginning stages of actually seeing the bottom in Aptos. Now, do you want to take the risk right now, or would you rather wait to get more confirmation that buyers are currently entering the market in Aptos? Look at this on the 5-day chart. We're still seeing selling coming into the market here in Aptos. Here it is on the 3-day, 2-day, and then today's daily price bar. So how would you trade this particular market? Do you think it's a buy? Do you think it's a sell? Or should you just simply stand by, chill out, relax, let the market continue to trade, let everyone else put the money on the line? And once we actually get the idea that buyers are no longer going to hold $10.69, then we can play the market short, just like we did on our prior video in January. Or if we continue to see the market hold this area of support, then we can buy the market and look for Aptos to go higher. Because as of right now, this particular market in Aptos is too indecisive. There's no definitive idea as to which side of the market currently is moving price. They're trying to figure that out. That's why the market currently is just bouncing to and fro, just going up and down right now. So how would you want to play this? Because from my perspective, I'm not going to put on a price prediction. The idea is for us to continue to see Aptos trade sideways, okay, like this, to give us more opportunity and price bars and information to see if the buyers are going to continue to hold $10.60. Okay. There will be times to where there's nothing here. It's kind of like when you go into a store and you go in and shop and you don't find anything that's particularly attracting to you. So you walk out the store and go to another store, right? That's how the market is viewed here as well. If you don't see a play here, then you just move on to another opportunity somewhere else, because there will always be deals in the cryptocurrency space. So this is how I'm going to move right now in Aptos. Hopefully I've shown you all the pitfalls on the multiple time frames of us still seeing weakness from 2 weeks, the 3 weeks, the 5 weekly time frame. But then you begin to see strength on the weekly chart, which is another reason why we put this on pause, is we want to continue to see the strength come through in Aptos, and from there we'll come through again and put on another prediction. But until such time, we're just going to stand back and let everyone else put their money on the line. You want to join me? Subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.